welcome back to my channel. Today's little video is on this look that you see here. I've been meaning to do this for a while, but just got busy and kind of lazy to do it, if you want to know the truth. But here it is. I actually got this idea from Lauren Mae Beauty here on YouTube. I just started watching some of her videos, and in like some of her videos that she was talking about, like Project Pan and stuff, she had this look, and I was like, oh my god, that's really cool. I don't know why, I just really liked it, and I wanted to try it. And so I did it on my own one day, and a lot of people really liked it, which I was surprised because it's just yellow. I don't know, I was just like, wow, I wasn't expecting that. So then I decided, well, why don't I just make a tutorial on it? Well, I am going to make it, and I'll show you guys how I did it, but I didn't realize that she had her own tutorial on it. So I'll go ahead and link that tutorial of hers down below, and I'll also, she's super cool. She does a bunch of different ideas and videos, so you should definitely check her out. She has no idea who the hell I am, but yeah, I still liked her. But anyway, we'll go ahead and get into the video, and I'll show you how I did this. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and be a little low lifer yourself. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so we'll go ahead and get started. I have my full face on, minus lip and highlight, but we'll get into that. I already pulled out all the palettes that I have yellow in. So when I was first looking at Lauren Mae Beauty's like makeup look, I was like, oh my god, how did she like do that? So I just went through like all my palettes, and I was like yellow, 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 and just went off from what I had and built up on it, because like I said in the intro, I didn't know that she had a tutorial up on it. I was just like, oh, I'm gonna recreate that because I like it. So I have 5 palettes here that all have yellow in them. So going off with them, we have the Prism palette, and I'll be using Sphere, very bright yellow. Subculture, and I'll be using Edge. In my Jeffree Star Androgyny palette, I will be using Charm. In the Cute AF by ColourPop, I will be using this yellow shade here. And then last but not least, in the My Little Pony palette, I'm going to be using 2 shades. I'll be using a little bit of this and some of this tealy, greenish, bluey, weird color. So let's get into it. Okay, so starting out with this fluffy brush, I'm going to go in with the shade Sphere right here from the Prism palette. And I'm like going in on that. And I'm just going to bring this right here up in the front. Maybe it'll help if I zoom in. Okay, so continuing on with that Sphere shade, just an electric yellow. I'm just buffing that into the front of my eyes here. Okay, and keeping up with that fluffy brush, I'm going to go in with the shade Edge from Subculture. And this one, I just went in to the crease a little bit and throughout the whole eye. Okay, so now it's like a little bit more orangey, and I just wanted to make it go back to that yellow that I had before. So we're going to go into the yellow from the Cute AF ColourPop palette. You know what? The dumb thing that I am dumb is that this is actually the Yes Please palette. I just always call it Cute AF because that's what it has on the front. It pisses me off every single time. It's like, Why do you have Cute AF on there if it's the Yes Please palette? ColourPop, what are you doing to me? Anyway, we're gonna go in with that yellow shade. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the shade Charm from the Androgyny palette. And I'm actually going to switch up brushes here. And I'm going to use my Y19. It's just a angled fluffy brush, but more like pointed fluffy brush, if that helps. Just to take Charm and take off the excess. And I'm just going to go in with the crease on this just to form my eye shape, so that I have a little something there. See? And so it's kind of starting to turn orange again, which is what I was battling with the first time, and it just wasn't super yellow. But we'll fix it, we'll combat it. Okay, and I'm gonna take my fluffy again and just blend it out. Okay, I think I'm gonna go back in with that Sphere shade from the Prism palette and just sweep this up into it again. Alright, so let's go ahead and we'll go into the bottom. And I'm gonna go ahead and take Charm again from the Androgyny palette and just swoop that into the bottom lash line. Then I'm going to go back in with Sphere from the Prism palette and just overlap it to make it more yellow again. And so when I was first doing it, I kind of went a little bit rogue because there was something about it. I was just kind of like, I need a little bit more. And I don't know if it'll make a difference now, but I'm going to go into this kind of like gold, where is it? This gold shimmery-ish shade from the My Little Pony palette. So I layer and stack some. And I'm just going to put this on the bottom here, just to give it a little bit of a something, since this is a very matte look. Okay. And then with Lauren Mae's original look, she had kind of like this green turquoisey color in her waterline. And so I'm moving back in with My Little Pony palette and taking this shade. Okay, and then I ended up taking this shade and just putting it right on the corner there. And then next, I'm gonna go ahead and add a wing. And I'm back. I have liner on and mascara, and I put my highlighter and lips on. This is just a super easy, fun look that I wanted to try. Just got out of my comfort zone of just like wearing warm shades all the time. And yeah, this is technically like a warm look, but it's just something different that I wasn't expecting. And I do like how it came out. So I suggest that you guys try something that you haven't done before. Maybe it's with green, maybe it's with purple, blue. Oh my god, that would be crazy. But you should definitely go ahead and try it. I do recommend it. It was fun. Also just playing with palettes that, I mean, I use these palettes, but it's kind of been a while. So it was nice to just do a little bit of a change. And it was fun. So yeah, if you liked the video, definitely like it. And please subscribe. And otherwise, I'll catch you in the next one.